giving me. I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, there's nothing wrong with where you live right now.
Stop moving like you're celebrating hookup culture. And a lot of women don't want to have the power. I have a recipe of this lasagna churro. I'm just gonna have a big breakfast and head to the mall. Take to a little mountain. So we are taking me and Ted and lunch at the mall. Pick up my shoes and about 3 pounds of cheese. I make them much difference from website. Really cute to our next step is the bracelet, or two bracelets actually. And most of them are Bible based. And that's actually good to wear. Like, just mix with all the ones with the inspirations. Let me kind of show you my face. And then we'll get back to what we're doing. There we go. As always, Wednesdays, school. So guys, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to April. I just wanted to come on here. I'm still cleaning, but I just wanted to come on here to say Happy New Month. You know what's so funny is April will make it 4 months since I started like vlogging like full time, aside just cooking. And I think you guys are enjoying it. I'm happy for the feedback. I'm happy with how it's been, turning out. And I just wanted to say, I see you guys. Thank you. You guys are the real MVPs. And please, if you have anything you want me to record or anything you want me to show in my videos, from food, from cooking, from exploring restaurants, exploring my city, just exploring the world in general. Please leave it in the comments section, and I'll be more than happy to explore those options. Another thing I wanted to say is I still don't have a microphone. Basically, I don't think it's a necessary thing when you start a vlogging, or maybe because I don't vlog outside a lot at the moment, or because I do voiceovers. I haven't really noticed any big difference with my voice notes and with people who use microphones. So I still don't have a microphone. And plus I actually do some settings when I'm editing, like fix the volume, enhance the voice. So I guess that's working for me. Plus my apartment is also pretty quiet. The apartment complex is pretty quiet. So I think that works great for me. Other than that, I have a few things to do today. Some running around. I have some grocery shopping to do. I like to shop my bulk of the shopping at the beginning of the month. I have that to do. Then I have to go do just a few things actually. I don't want to spoil the vlog for you, so I'm gonna zip it and let you enjoy the vlog yourself. Yeah, it's April already. I'm so grateful to God, honestly. God is good all the time. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, my name is Valerie, and I used to call myself your kitchen bestie, but now I do vlogs and cooking at the same time. So I think I'm just going to call myself your bestie in general.
Just me and my BFF, bum, bum. Just me and my BFF, bum.
So yeah, I'm your bestie on the side of YouTube, and thank you for stopping by. I always tell you to subscribe to my channel because a lot of good things happen here, So yeah, other than that, that's all I have to say to open this video. Welcome to April, welcome to my vlog, and let's start by praising.
Who can stand against you? Who can challenge Jehovah? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm ready to
No, just barely.
also supporting the Brotherhood Crusades Wildfire Relief Fund. To contribute and make a difference, please visit
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us, yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey took us to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, it's sit down in a class and we pour that all this in the road and we go on with the road. Yeah, man, in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we course. Going a rise and course. Yeah, we give thanks like we need the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to. Thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey took us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, it's sit down in a class and we pour that all this in the road and we go on with the road. Go on with them every night, live. Down to be a fire team. All back to the street, every day I see it. Me and the kids don't give a fire. Like that no problem, I just so saw you want to spit like a remote. Keep burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. You're born in a life, man. Me have to thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Yeah, my gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. But I toast to the friends that take off to be road. One time, kids sit down in a class and we pour that all this in the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the glory. I'm in the light. Yeah, know some person ignited. But the music get me excited. Coming like a poison. Blessings all from my life, man. But thank God for the journey took us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they love to be Lord. One time, kids sit down in a class and we pour that all this in the road and we go on with the road. To us, yeah. To us. Going a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks.
It's ready. Honestly, I'm so
No,
excited.
because I saw it.
Back and forth.
Mm.
Finally,
Ah.
I will. You know, I have the photographer that's coming. I even have to send him a
I
reminder.
don't know. I think the orange one should look better.
I have I don't know the YSLs that I wore in San Francisco.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, that one.
Cool. That's what I'm thinking. And the Okay, good morning. Now that breakfast is done, I think we should talk about April reads. Quite frankly, Audible has really been helpful. This month I'm reading 5 books. 4 are novels, and then 1 is a self-help book, and that's 2 for 6. I started with this already, and then I can unwind the month with the novels. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what you're reading this month. I'll see you later. Bye.
Wow.
Wow.
Je vois la viande, mais des mots d'amour, des mots dont tu les jeux.